I have Tyler here from Clean Master Services coming out here today to do some dryer vent cleaning for me. Go take a look at some of the equipment he has in the back of his trailer. Wow, it's big, some big hoses here. Well, let's go look and see the stuff that's been clogging up my dryer vent, shall we? Here he is, putting the tools through the hose.
Go outside and look.
Okay, I'm going to go outside and take a look and see what's out there. There's my dog buddy. Okay, let's take a look. How do I zoom in here? Looks like it's snowing. Snowing.